Okoreko kwatwaho ku aha mwana w'omwojo Dr. Andrew Nomugisha Vice Chancellor wa Ankole Western University n'owabirari omugambi mukuru aha mukoro gw'okwemeka abebembezi ba Lions Club International Basya. Ogwagizire nk'omubaro omuhango ogw'abatsigazi n'abashaija bari omu bintu ebitarikwera ihanga eri nkombehome omukoresa ebitokoza bwongo kandi eki nikireeta obutabafaho ekirikumara.
International is uniquely positioned to make a difference. Lions can sponsor boys mentorship programs. You can support school retention initiatives. You know, bakagamba babiki tibine pads abantu bakatandika gukora pads ku papyrus reeds na nyemenda na nebyo abojo barahi nobodekazi.
Ugu nagira ngo buno bwire okugira cyahinduka ihanga ritandike kufayo okurebeka nk'umwana w'omwojo yabangurwa ahagwo kuba bojo nabishiki batungukira hamwe ihangana rubakuronje.
Friends, when girls succeed and boys fail, society loses. When boys succeed and girls fail, still society loses. But when both boys and girls are empowered, families flourish, communities prosper, and nations thrive.
Professor William Bazeyo obiro mjini mukuru aha mukoro ogu hashabira ba Lions Club okwatanisa bakakorera hamwe okwongera kuhereza abantu.
Does not drink its own water. The tree does not eat its own fruits. The sun does not shine on itself. The flower does not spread its fragrance for itself. They all exist for others. They all exist for others. So we must.
Obirari President wa Lions Club ya Sheema Editha yebazibwe hagizire ngo hariho byinje bikozurwe n'ebyo bitakahwire kandi we Enoth Tinkasimire President omusya oyemekirwe hagizire ngo nibyinji biborekerire kora aha woburongi bw'abantu.
Asante for the meeting in Yamhama. Enoth project yanje no kimanyina atandikire. Ni kushaba ngo tugumize.
To address the needs of our communities, support those who are vulnerable, promote humanitarian service, and inspire the future generations of leaders.
Lion Benon Katate oyebembire mu mukoro gwo kwemeka bebembezi hahabwire President omusya ho kukwatanisa n'abatorinwe okwebembera nabo mu buri kimwe.
You are the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, Vision Bearer, okay, of the club. You are the chair of what we call GAT. Robo Action Team is the engine that drives the vehicle, that drives the club. Here you have your 3 or 4 members, the leadership chairperson, membership chairperson, service chairperson, marketing chairperson. Those are your right-hand people. You must keep with them together with the secretary of the club.
Aha mukoro ogu habireho kuhamagwa kw'aba memba basya mu kigombe kya Lions kandi aba babire barimo abana hamwe n'abantu abakuru. Gasha kwa Gerard Tugume muri Sheema aha Watayari West.
Thank you very much.